How quickly can you become a barista? One day, 1 week, or 1 month? I'm here today to answer that question for you. With supervised training on the job from a high-level barista, you are going to start to contribute to making high-quality drinks straight away. Whether it's pouring milk or extracting coffee, only good coffee will be made and served under the watchful eye of that supervising barista. From day one, this is going to help you to understand the quality of the drink that you are aiming for. The specific skills required of a barista are as follows: grinding, tamping, extracting, steaming milk, and pouring milk. Additionally, we also need the knowledge of what cups to use, what sizes are available, what strength, so how many shots do we put into each size, how to make each type of coffee, as well as how to calibrate all of the equipment that we use to ensure correct parameters for good consistency. I find that new baristas tend to be very good at grinding coffee, tamping it, and extracting it. But I feel that many people become intimidated when they first start using the steam wand, which affects the quality of the milk that they steam, and that also affects the pouring process. But everyone has strengths and weaknesses. Having someone by your side that trains you and gives you valuable insights into technique is going to help you to overcome these weaknesses very quickly. If this person that guides you also actively calibrates their equipment, shows you how to, and they regularly do it in front of you, that is going to help you to understand what exactly you're aiming for. Meaning that you should be able to pick up on this pretty quickly as well. My conclusion is that with a barista there to guide you and actively teach you, you're going to have the skill level required to stand on your own 2 feet after 1 week of experience. You will then have all the knowledge required to go from there. It is quite jarring to go from having the support of someone that has done everything right next to you and they can give you constant hands-on advice to being not supported at all. That means that you have to recollect everything from your memory, which may result in you having many blank moments because you have to remember exactly what happened. And if you can't remember, you've got to figure out logically what you should do. For this reason, despite having all the skills, knowledge, and experience after just 1 week of working with someone that's supervising you, I wouldn't call you a fully fledged barista until you've done an additional week of problem solving, not being supported by anyone at all, having to come up with all the solutions yourself. However, this is a career that you constantly develop your skills. Even though you get entry-level skills after maybe 1 week or 2 weeks of having someone train you, it's a lifelong process. I continually modify some of the processes that I do. I reflect on things that are working and some things that don't work, and I grow, adapt, and evolve over time. Even though I've been a barista for the best part of my life, not everyone is born equal. There are some people that only require 2 days to get to the right knowledge and experience compared to someone that might take 2 weeks. There are others that might require an additional 2 months of just practice to become familiar with the processes that they're using and become confident in what they're doing. I was personally someone that required a lot of time to build up my confidence, but when I did that, I kept that confidence throughout my entire career. Everything that I've just told you is based on the assumption that someone is there to guide you through this experience. There are options to do coffee making courses. These can be valuable to train you how to make each coffee, how to steam milk, how to go through those 5 different processes that I mentioned earlier, give you some basic knowledge and experience so that you know how to make every coffee on the menu. In fact, I would highly recommend that you participate and do one of these courses, especially if you lack confidence and you're looking at getting a job as a barista. However, you need to understand exactly what you know. By doing a course like this, you would have made drinks under supervision in a controlled environment. You will hopefully know how to make every coffee, but you will likely have little to no experience in working in an environment with customers. Ordering coffee is often a very personalized experience, with each customer ordering something slightly different. Many customers want some sugar, they might want it half strength, they might want it extra hot, they may want an extra shot. So every order has the potential to be different. This kind of environment is hard to simulate without doing the real thing. So if your only experience in making coffee is from a coffee course, you're likely to be underprepared to a degree when starting a job in a cafe or a coffee shop. If we link this back to the topic of the video, by doing a course, you will have gotten a foundation. The biggest thing that you're lacking at this stage is a working experience. If you keep an open mind, this experience will come quickly and you will become a fully fledged barista in a matter of weeks. Beware. I've experienced many people who have completed a single-day barista course, and they've called themselves baristas. They've come to me with a closed mind, disregarded my over a decade of coffee-making experience, and refused to improve or take on any suggestions, because it goes against what they were taught in that coffee course. Be adaptable. Every workplace is different. I'm going to put another video up on screen that's going to help you to get your first tulip or rosetta pattern on top of your coffee. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for future content, as that helps me out a lot. And I'm looking forward to scaling this channel in the future. Enjoy!